Where? Okay, hold on.
Hey, I put a gate over here. There's a dude outside.
Yeah! Oh, yeah! I hit him with a lock. I got him with a lock. Hold on. The lock. Yo, did you get left? Hold on, they're just walking around right now. Alright, what's the name of... Hold on. Oh my god. As soon as I said AK, they got it, bro. Nah, they actually watching the chat. Like, we can't do nothing at this one, bro. We trapped. Like, what can you actually do, bro? We stuck, bro. There's nothing you can do. But I say AK, they just like on sight. You know what I'm saying, bro? Look, man, they just playing on them, bro.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Bro, what? Drink your ass slow ass up, boy. Ooh. AK, did you run away?
Don't play with me. I see this for me.
I swear to God, bro, he's too slow.
Ooh.
My character. I got my bag back. It works. See, oh man, I'm telling you, bro. I'm a genius.
What you mean it works? Wait, it's not.
Bro, I'm over here, bro. My character's running slow. Between life and death, and my character's walking. Come on. Alright, we met with the crew finally. Oh my god, bro. Oh!
Do you guys have a rebreather yet?
Hey, chicken, how did you get the arrows? How did you carve the arrows?
Nah, we haven't.
You need a
That shit
you need a
fire.
small stone, tape, stick, and bird feathers.
Bird. You still gotta kill bird.
I killed a bird
How did you kill the bird?
here at the ocean. I killed a seagull.
Oh god, I mean, hold on. But you got a whole gas mask. I don't know what. Yeah.
It's the rebreather. It's the cave at the start.
Yeah, secure that shit.
Oh.
You for everything.
Yeah, he's swear. Berserkers.
Go in there. You see the job over there.
Oh, okay. Let me find a small rock. I think that.
Walk into right down on that rock.
Alright, where's the rocks at? Oh, wait.
Help me.
Oh my god, don't get one top. Don't get.
Gosh, damn.
Yeah, this dude.
Why? Help me, I'm about
Oh, I'm down too. Oh no.
Vita, see, I told you, I killed that
I'm
nigga.
about to
That
die.
guy fucked
I'm gonna
us up.
die.
All right, who
No.
where you at?
Kill that nigga.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
I ain't gonna lie to you, be the best.
We gotta scavenge tomorrow so we can.
Oh, we eating them now?
Yo, where's
Hey,
the
we gotta
cowboy
start.
at?
We gotta start burning these bodies so they don't keep trying to come back. Because I think they
Hey.
like look for bodies.
Who killed me? Like what killed me?
I think it was a guy
Gold
with the
mask
mask.
thing.
Where's he at?
He already did.
Dead.
All right, where's the
Oh,
board?
you killed-
Okay. Oh my God, yo, I found a stone, small stone. I'm looking for a bird.
Oh, hand me.
You guys want to put a gate over on that one opening?
Oh yeah, I think yeah, we have to.
All it is you finish the wall and then you put a log across it.
Hold on, is it possible I can kill the deer with this stone right here?
Chicken, is it out?
Is that what?
Where's the chicken at?
No. Where? Okay, hold on.
Hey, I put a gate over here. There's a dude outside.
Yeah! Oh yeah! I hit him with a log. I got him with a log.
Over here.
Hold on. The log method. Kobe! Hold on. Okay, I missed him. Oh shit! You got a taser?
Yeah.
Nah. Hey, you too advanced, bruh.
Where are you at?
Where Yeah, he already dipped.
Where are you at?
He
Where you
al- he already dipped. I'm gonna just close this side.
Hands. Come on. Where are these mudbloods at? Oh, I see him.
Hold on.
Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh. He's down for the count.
Nice.
Damn, look at them
Alright.
cheeks.
Oh.
God damn. Okay. Hold on. It's actually Jonathan. Oh my God. Hold on. I'm about to drop logs on him. Wait,
Trash
let me
can's over
see.
here.
Let me see. Is he?
Right here. Let me see. Oh my gosh, you ate all that? You're massive.
No.
Oh my gosh, you're massive. Like, he's getting back up again.
Yo, what?
Yeah.
What?
He doesn't deserve this. Get up. See how much he can take.
Damn, sunbathing is crazy.
Hold on. He's getting back up again. Hold on. Oh, right in the neck. Alright, let's end his suffering.
Damn.
Oh, there's a barbarian over here, guys. A thick boy, and he just one-shot this dude.
Hold on. I got it.
Oh, hell
Let me-
no.
Oh yeah.
Let me get him. Let me get him.
Hold on. The log method.
They're immune to stun, I'm pretty sure.
Hold on. The log method.
I got him.
That's like one sec. Oh, is he dead? No way, he's dead.
Oh, hold on. My bad. Let me try to get you.
The little crawly dude's watching.
Now he's dead.
I'm gonna kill him with logs so bad.
Them cheeks.
All right. I think I'm gonna save the bird hunting for later. How do I?
Oh, now he's just a torso. No, I'm covered in blood. Time to go Michael Phelps.
Yo, how do I...
Oh yeah.
okay, I got it.
I like big.
I like him chunky. Hold
Yo,
on.
I need food. I need food bad. Oh wait, I got a clam. Is it expired? Raw oyster.
Hey, you be doing some shit here.
Seen?
Why can I not lay my pot? Okay, pause.
You gotta right click
She
it,
was in my class.
change the mode.
Just put that shit down.
Oh,
Oh, you
left.
right.
Okay, right click.
Yeah, right click and then it shows like the circle. And it shows a line if it's connected.
She's Spanish. She's in the
Okay,
foreign
got it.
exchange student.
Yes,
She's from Spain.
Oh, you can't. Somewhat. It's because there's a rock or something there.
Oh, okay.
Why can't we place it right there? What the fuck?
Yep.
Wait, I had it for a second.
What the?
Move, nigga.
That is interesting.
Not.
When I connect two bridges in the middle, genius.
And then we'll see if we can
Got him.
get them together again.
Oh my gosh, look at the tips on this one.
Hold on. Okay.
He is. Dude, look at the tits on this one.
Wait, let me see.
Oh my gosh, hold on. Trying to get her laid out.
Oh, okay, I
Dang.
see what you mean. Or hold on, I see what. Mm.
Oh my gosh. Look at the size of them. Oh. One for each one.
Okay, I'm doing better than now. Let me just. Okay, hold on.
Probably just because that.
Oh, there's a rock that blocking anything.
Yeah, why is it? It's like wanting to connect to this rock right here. We need to somehow get rid of this. I don't think we can break it without a pickaxe, though. Oh, if we widen it, maybe? So they're still trying to connect, though. That's so weird.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to go out this way. Well,
Chicken the MVP, man. Chicken the clutch. Alright.
Yeah, I'm locked in for you guys.
Oh yeah, we appreciate that. We appreciate
just
every
build out.
small contribute so we can build a better society. Alright. AK, where are you? He always lost somewhere. But why are you
I can't put this shit.
why you look, he literally oh my god. He's trying to just sacrifice
Someone put
himself
a
for
gate
one
over
log.
here.
Teamwork, bro.
Teamwork! Alright, look, it would take him at least an hour to just bring one log when he could have just ran and shot a whole bunch.
We need to get a gate somewhere.
Ah, look at the lady. Oh my, yo, my bad. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, this nigga got my shit, bro.
Yo, put your weapon away,
Oh,
cut.
Charlie know
Oh,
what?
wait,
Yeah,
she can't go no.
trying to
Oh,
take
no,
my
no, no,
shit.
no, no, no. Oh.
Man, what's one? Oh.
Man, they not got my shit.
See, AK is too late. Hello, alright. So. Hold on.
Problem solved. I got a gate.
Oh, nice.
And we have one on both sides.
Oh. Huh. Huh, can I?
I found a turtle, guys. You'll never believe it.
I think I'm stuck.